Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Stella Chroma After All This Time, Maniology M305. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Stella Chroma After All This Time. Perfect polish for this season. So here we go. I love the Stella Chroma brushes and their formulas. So pretty. So good. I'm going to cut my little tiny free edge here. Get that first coat on there so we can hop on into our second coat. And there it is. Second coat. Yep. Oh, I love this polish. So pretty. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so I can do some stamping. You guys know I'm a stamping nut. It's easy nail art for me now that I've learned how to do it. And there is After All This Time on its own. I'll be using Maniology M305. Beautiful leaf plate. Must be kind of new. It's still got the blue film. I've got a cube stamper out and a Maniology scraper. We're going to get that blue film off of here and prep this plate. I'm going to clean it with some acetone. And I do like to wipe over them with one of those, lint-free wipes. And I'll be using Maniology, and this is Cosmos. Ooh, so pretty. And I'm just going to use this little leaf design down here on most of the nails, on the 4 fingernails. I'm going to do something a little different on the thumb. Now, I had tried to do this with another color. It was a gray, and it didn't show it very well, so I am stamping like right over that. I wasn't going to remove it. I don't think it really adds or distracts from the manicure too much. I don't know. But you can kind of see it a little bit, maybe here and there. And I'm just trying to line things up as best I can. And we're just bebopping along. Bebop, doobop. So there we go. Getting this all, now I'm trying to line this one up. It's like, whoa, wait a minute. Forget it. We'll just slap it on there. Doesn't matter. I know y'all have all had manicures like that. Like, whatever, just get something on there. Alright, so there we go. Awesome. And I'm going to use this little leaf, I guess. Almost kind of looks like a feather, but it's a leaf. I'm going to put that on my thumb, just so it's got something. A little something on the thumb. If I don't mess it up before I get it on the nail. There we go. Lovely. I'm going to clean everything up with some acetone, my scraper card, my stamping plate, and my little mat. And people ask me why I use my little mat when I'm on top of a big mat. Well, truth be told, it's just easier. Like if I make a really bad mess, I can slide that middle little mat off my big mat and keep playing and get it out of my way. I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin around my fingernail. And then I'm going to hop in with my little cleanup brush. Do some tidying. And, just a little bit under the nail, around it. Ta-da! I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Let that dry down. And then I'm going to use my Poshe top coat to finish this one off. And I really like that dark blue over this green. It's just so pretty. I don't know. You guys know I've got a thing for colors. I guess that's why I like nail polish so much. Gotta get over there to that little bitty side. There we go. Being a contortionist here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gonna get that little bit. Got just a little bit to clean up. Not much. And there is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.